we have just turned on to America's Highway, Route 12, and we are going to check out the Red Canyon Visitor Center area of Dixie National Forest. So we've just started hiking on the Hoodoo Trail, which leads to the Bird's Eye Trail. After yesterday doing the North Kaibab Trail on the north rim of the Grand Canyon, we're pretty pooped, so just looking for some short trails with some beautiful scenery.
One of our favorite things to do on like a lot of our hikes is just look at cool trees and like learn stuff about trees and like what kind of trees grow in the area, and even the ones that don't have any like leaves or anything, like quote unquote dying or whatever. Just super cool to look at.
We also really like when there's signage on trails that teaches you things, and you can learn a lot from it, so it's kind of fun.
That's staying. That's going right in the video. Not taking it out.
Hoodoos are the result of frequent freezing and thawing that causes moisture to collect in cracks in the rock, freeze, and expand. Wind further erodes the rock. The uneven shapes of hoodoos are the result of varying levels of calcium carbonate in the rock, which causes different areas to break apart and erode more or less easily than others.
It smells like butterscotch. No. Oh my god, it smells so good. Can't get over it.
Travis is now obsessed with sniffing ponderosa pines because he discovered that they smell like butterscotch.
Just like butterscotch. Okay.
Red Canyon Visitor Center is directly off of Route 12 and offers several trails that are easily accessible for short hikes and epic views. Due to its proximity to Route 12, there's a lot of road noise from cars, RVs, tractor trailers, and even motorcycles.
So we just did a little bit of the Bird's Eye Trail. we're still feeling pretty bushed from yesterday. We're gonna head back, make our way towards Bryce.